Hey everyone, today we're comparing two awesome workflow automation tools, Crew AI and N8n. Let's break them down and see which one's best for you. First up, Crew AI. It's a tool that helps you create teams of AI agents to tackle complex tasks. Think of it like a group of smart robots working together. You write code in Python to set up agents with specific roles like researching or writing. It's great for projects where AI needs to think, learn, and collaborate, but you'll need some coding skills to use it. Now let's talk about N8n. This is a no-code tool with a drag-and-drop interface, making it super easy to connect apps and automate tasks. It has over 500 pre-built integrations, so you can link tools like Slack or Google Sheets in minutes. You can add AI, but it's more about simple, repeatable workflows. Even non-tech folks can use it. So how did it stack up? Crew AI is best for developers who want AI-powered custom solutions for big, dynamic projects, like building a research team of AI agents. It's flexible but needs coding know-how. N8n shines for quick, straightforward automations like syncing data between apps. It's user-friendly and perfect for non-coders or small businesses. Which one's better? If you're a coder tackling complex AI tasks, go with Crew AI. If you want fast, easy automation without coding, N8n's your pick. Choose based on your skills and project needs. That's it for today. Drop a comment on which tool you'd try. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.